Hello and welcome to our channel. We're doing a series of reviews of children's developmental STEM toys. Today we're looking into Battop's Marble Maze Run, which is fully compatible with Lego Duplo. This set has 167 pieces and it's recommended for ages 3 and above. The box shows 2 recommended ways of building the maze run, and this is just one of the ways on how to build it. Let's do a sample, shall we? What we like about this set are the unique pieces. This includes the giraffe, where the ball can go through and slide like that. There's also this windmills. There's 2, so one can be found here and the other on the other side. It comes with 3 cute panda balls, which our daughter just loves.
In fact, there are 4 balls, but one of the balls our daughter already expropriated and hid somewhere.
And of course, there's this xylophone, which makes a nice chiming sound as a finale to our maze run. Let's talk about the slides. So there's this circular one where the ball tries to gain momentum as it goes down the hole. So there's 2 of them. And then there's this ribbed slide where the ball slows down. There's also these 3 blue U-turns. There's also this yellow incline where the ball speeds up as it goes down. So with a combination of all these various slides, a child has fun watching the different motions of the ball as it goes down. So that's how you teach the child physics, momentum, and gravity.
Our daughter loves playing with this Lego compatible set, investigating the movement of the ball, learning about the behavior of the ball under the gravity, and developing her small motorics. She also tries to build different types of these slides and see if the ball will reach the end. And after we gave her this set, our daughter was busy with it for about 40 minutes, which is so far the record for any STEM toy that we gave her. The quality of this set is good for its price. So there are, although a little gaps between the parts on this slide, for example. The paint quality, as you can see here, is also pretty good, especially for the price, as well as the paint on giraffe, so nothing is falling apart, everything sticks well, as you would expect from a good Lego competitor.
This set is fully compatible with Lego Duplo. The main difference is the inscription in the original Lego. Other blocks do not have this feature. But then they fit perfectly with each other without problems. The set comes with an instruction which folds out, although it's not really made very logically.
That one and this one, like those bricks, can be of any color. Another unusual thing about this set and instruction is those white pieces. For example, you can see that the flower, the bananas, the flag, all of them are white. Bricks that can be of any color are white. Lego never allows such a strange thing in their instruction sets. So at the beginning, when I came across with this strange feature of the set, I got a bit surprised, but very quickly I got used to it, and really it doesn't affect the joy of the play. Building instruction is sometimes a bit weird. For example, if you see here in pictures 8, 9 and 10, you have the bumpy slide at the bottom, and you have the accelerating slide on the top. And then suddenly, as you move to part and picture 11, you can see here bumpy slide is on the top and accelerating slide is here downwards, which is not the proper way how you do building instructions. Another, in my opinion, very bad part or unacceptable part of this instruction is that you have to rotate it sometimes. For example, you start here with number 1, 2, 3, 4, and then suddenly they are upside down. So in order to continue building, you need to rotate the whole piece to get to pictures 5 to 12, and then again you need to turn over the whole piece to get to pictures 13 and 14, which is not logical and sometimes can be very confusing for the child who is trying to build. Currently the price of this set on Amazon is $29.98, so basically $30, 467 piece set, which is about twice or even sometimes more than twice cheaper than Duplo sets with the same amount of pieces. Lego doesn't have long slides. It has some sets with slides, but they are manufactured to slide the Lego kits and not the balls, and they cannot form such a long series of slides, while the price is about 3 times more than that Marble Maze Run. Another feature which we like a lot about this Chinese set is that on AliExpress, as you can see here, you can buy any additional piece. So for example, here you can buy an extra giraffe if the giraffe is lost, for example. You can purchase some extensions such as this very interesting set with wings, where the ball can be put from 2 different sides, different animals, as well as extra slides, as well as extra turns, U-turns, and so on. Everything at very cheap price. Some of them are less than $1, and some are a bit more. In case something is lost, you can easily repurchase it, as well as extend the whole set for a very acceptable price. Sometimes on AliExpress you can buy compatible sets even at lower price than on Amazon. For example, here you can see that for $27 you can buy a set which has 303 pieces and is completely compatible with that Battop Marble Maze Run. So possibilities are endless, and you can build really mega sets for a low price. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to see more STEM toys reviews and other interesting videos.